Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Arithmetic Progression. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is, in an AP, the sum of first n terms is 3n to the power 2 upon 2 plus 5n upon 2. Find its 25th term. Guys, this is one of the most important question, as this type of question came in one of the CBSE board examination in the year 2006. And this type of questions are really very simple and very easy one, but the thing is that we need to identify a method where we can or how we can solve this question. Let us see and let us move ahead in solving this type of questions. Now the given question is saying that the sum of first n terms is 3n to the power 2 by 2 plus 5n by 2. So it is being said, it is being given like s, the sum of the first n terms, that means Sn, I can say Sn is equal to 3n to the power 2, 3n to the power 2 upon 2 plus 5n upon 2. This is what given. The sum of the first n terms, that means Sn, the sum of the n terms is represented by Sn, is equal to 3n to the power 2 by 2 plus 5n by 2. Now guys, here the question is asking us to find the 25th term. That means we need to find out a25. We need to find out a25, or let me show you like what are the things that we are going to do here. So first of all, our main objective is to find out a25. So in order to find out a25, we will try to find out a1 first. Okay, in order to do all these things, we will also find out s1, we will also find out s25. So these are the four different things that we are going to find out, or three different things that we are going to find out in order to reach this conclusion, that is a25. So we will first of all find out s1, s25, and then we will find out a1, and then we will move ahead in finding out a25. So this is very simple one. Just try to understand how we are moving ahead. Now guys, the question is like Sn is equal to 3n to the power 2 upon 2 plus 5n by 2. Now if, or let's say, or let's assume that the n value is 1. So I can say when n is equal to 1, what happens to the above? When n is equal to 1, I can write S1. So instead of n, I'm just going to fill up with 1. S1 is equal to 3, 1 to the power 2 upon 2 plus 5 into 1 upon 2. Just guys, we are considering where n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, what happens? So we are just calculating out Sn, that is S1 value. Or I can write, what I can write, S1 is equal to 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, or S1 is equal to 8 upon 2, or S1 is equal to 4. So guys, we are able to find the value for S1. That is our first requirement. That is what we did here. So what we did, we got the value of S1 as 4. That is what we got. Now let us see, or let us move ahead in finding out the next term, that is S25. So similarly, we will assume, or we will consider what happens when n is equal to 25. So here we are going to consider when n is equal to 25. When n is equal to 25, I can write S25 is equal to, S25 is equal to 3 into 25 to the power 2, because it is 3n to the power 2 upon 2 plus 5n, that is 5 into 25 upon 2. Or S25 is equal to 3 into 25 into 25. 25 25s are 625 upon 2 plus 5 into 25 upon 2. Or I can write S25 is equal to 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 and 3 6s are 18. 1875 upon 2 plus 25 5s are 125 upon 2, or S25 is equal to 2000 upon 2, or S25 is equal to 1000. So guys, you could see that we are able to find out the value of S25. We first found out S1 and then uh, we were able to find out S25. Hope guys till here it is pretty clear. Just I'm doing step by step instead of jumping any of the steps. Just I'm going step by step so that each one of us will understand what I'm doing here. Now guys, as I told you, we are going to calculate first S1 then S25. So here we got S25. Now we will move ahead in order to find out A1. Once we get A1, then we will also calculate A25. That is our ultimate aim. Now guys, what we got S25. So after getting S25, let us move ahead and try to find out A1. So we very well know that the sum of the arithmetic progression formula is given by what it is given by. It is given by 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An. So guys, here I'm taking the help of the arithmetic expression formula in order to find out A1. So what we know? We know 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An. Now, when n is equal to 1, because our ultimate aim is to find out A1, when n is equal to 1, what we will get? Let's see. So I can write when n is equal to 1, I can write the above formula as 2s. I can write the above formula as 2s1 is equal to 1 into A1 plus A1, just replacing the value of n with 1, because we are assuming what happens when n is equal to 1. So I have written here 2s1 is equal to 1 into A1 plus A1, or I can say 2s1 is equal to 2a1, a1 plus this a1, it becomes 2a1. So 2s1 is equal to 2a1, or I can say this 2 and this 2, it cancels out. I can say s1 is equal to a1. So guys, if we remember that what we got here, we got that s1 is equal to a1. So if you remember here what we got, if you remember here, you could see that we got the value of S1 as 4. That means let's name this one equation 4 or something like that. We are numbering it out so that it gets a reference here. So we are numbering it out as equation 1. What we got here? We got S1 is equal to 4. Now what we got here? S1 is equal to A1. Therefore we can say that therefore A1 is equal to 4 from equation 1. Sometimes this type of equations or this type of numberings we need to take, or we need to write so that we can refer something. Now guys, as I told you, we are going to find out A1. So we got A1. Now finally you would see that we will move ahead in finding out A25. So we got A1 as 4, we got S1 as 4, we got S25 as 1000. Now let us move ahead and find out A25. Now, in order to find out A25, we are again going to take the help of some of the arithmetic expression formula. So, what we know, if you look here, the arithmetic expression formula says that 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An. Now, let us assume, or let us consider the value of n is equal to 25. So, when n is equal to 25, what I can do? I can write the same arithmetic expression formula or equation as 2s25 instead of 2sn, or I am replacing the value of n here with 25. So I can write 2s25 is equal to 25 into a1 plus a25. Hope guys till here we are very clear. Or I can write what I can write, or I can write 2s25. Guys, if you remember, we got some value for 25. If you remember here, we got the value of 25 as 1000. Just focus here. We got the value of 25 as 1000. So I am going to replace the value of S25 as 1000. So because we got the value for S25 as 1000, so that is what I am going to do here. I am replacing the value of S25 with 1000 is equal to 25 into A1. We know the value of A1 is 4 plus A25. Or I can write 2000 is equal to 25 into 4 plus A25. 25 into 4 plus A25. Or I can say, in other words, 25 4 plus A25 is equal to 2000. Just in order to make our calculations easy, just I reversed it or I rotated it. Nothing is going to be wrong here if I write the equation like this. Or I can write 4 plus A25 is equal to 2000 upon 25. Or guys, I'm calculating step by step without missing any of these steps. So 4 plus A25 is equal to, here we got 2000 upon 25. So 25 8s are 200. So I can write 25 8s are 200, or I can say 80. Or in other words, I can write now what we will get, or I can say A25 is equal to 80 minus 4, just moving 4 from left side to the right side, or A25 is equal to 76. This is what we are looking for. And guys, if this is what we are looking for, because if you look at the question asked us to find its 25th term. So if you look here, or initially we also decided that we are going to find out all these values like A25, A1, S1 and 25, S25, and finally that is what we reached out for the value of A25 as 25. Hope guys you understood this calculation or the steps that I decided or that I used in order to find out this, in order to solve this type of questions. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comment. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.